A bipartisan bill related to marijuana has cleared a major hurdle in the U.S. Senate. The SAFER Act would make it easier for marijuana businesses to access the financial system. This was advanced by the Senate Banking Committee today, meaning it heads to the full Senate floor for a vote next. According to Statista, the U.S. cannabis industry is set to pass $33 billion this year. And the thing is, those companies need somewhere to store their money, right? Unfortunately, that is almost impossible present day because for those businesses, marijuana is illegal under federal law, and so they can't save their money in federally insured banks. The legal marijuana industry is almost entirely cash-based because of those restrictions. CNBC's Jane Wells joins me now. So, Jane, this bill is not going to legalize marijuana at the federal level, just to be clear, but it deals with this banking issue.
It's a huge step forward, Kate, because this banking law, if it becomes law, will allow the federally regulated banks, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase, to do business, to accept the money from these state legal marijuana operations. These businesses can also get loans now. They can buy insurance. They can get financing. Their employees will be able to show proof of income and get mortgages. And it will also then maybe let Visa and MasterCard into these legal dispensaries so that customers can start using credit cards and move away from there's just so much cash, which creates danger. And there are often robberies at these dispensaries. This is all part of making it safer, not legal federally, but safer.
And what are the mechanics on Capitol Hill, Jane? If this passes in the Senate, I don't know if that's likely, then what happens in the House?
Well, Senator Chuck Schumer says he plans to bring it to the floor as soon as possible. The theory is they wouldn't have got it out of the committee, which was a bipartisan vote, by the way, unless they felt they had the votes on the floor. They are going to need 60 votes to end debate before then they can do a vote in the Senate. After that, it would go back to the House, which has passed this many times. The choke point has always been the Senate, and then it'll go to the president's desk. That's assuming there's not a government shutdown.
Well, we just talked about that. Yes. CNBC's Jane Wells. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.